At $30 a month or $160 a year, Brilliant.org is a definite financial commitment. It completely rejects video lectures to focus entirely on interactive math and science logic puzzles. Before you drop your credit card details, you need to know where it excels and where it hits a wall. Let's bypass the marketing filler. In 2026, Brilliant has deployed new AI scaffolding to justify its price tag. To see if it's actually worth your money, let's run an independent audit of the absolute pros and cons. The pros: high-impact active intuition. Let's start with the advantages. Brilliant's defining pro is its interactive problem-solving engine. Instead of putting your brain to sleep with video lectures, it forces active recall. By dragging shapes, adjusting sliders, and writing short code blocks, you build deep spatial and mathematical logic that actually sticks. Pro number 2. Elite AI guidance. The standout tech feature is Koji Brilliant's built-in AI tutor. If you hit a genuine logical wall, Koji reviews your exact screen state. It acts like a human professor, prompting you with targeted sub-questions and visuals to guide your thinking, without ever just handing you the answer. Pro number 3. The mobile habit engine. The app's mobile interface is best in class for busy routines. It converts complex STEM fields into micro-lessons that take 15 minutes or less. Features like battery-powered streak charges keep your momentum safe if life gets chaotic, making consistency effortless. The cons: severe topic limitations. Now for the drawbacks. First, Brilliant's breadth is hyper-restricted. It covers math and physics flawlessly. But for business management or digital marketing, this platform has zero options for you. Con number 2, zero career credentials. Unlike Coursera or edX, Brilliant does not offer accredited university certificates. While you can add skills to your resume, completing these courses holds no formal weight with enterprise hiring managers. Finally, understand that the content depth varies. It will not replace a dedicated coding bootcamp or an advanced university textbook. Buy the thinking habit, not the paper certificate. Subscribe for more honest tech audits. Thanks for watching.